Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new session. We will learn more about the pyramid of evidence based medicine, what it is, what are the levels of the scientific evidence that makes this pyramid, and how it can help us as medical professionals, whether in medical affairs or as healthcare professionals. The pyramid of evidence based medicine is a hierarchical structure that ranks the strength of evidence from various research methods, aiming to guide the clinical decision making. At the base of this pyramid, we have the expert opinion and background information. These reports provide context and foundational knowledge, but actually, they are the weakest level of evidence, or in other words, they are the least robust evidence. As we go one level up the pyramid, we get the case series and the case reports. They are descriptive accounts of individual cases or series of cases, offering insights again, but again with limited generalizability. One level up, we will see the case control study. Case control studies are retrospective studies comparing patients with a condition to those without it. And this type of studies offer valuable information, but in fact, they offer also lower level of evidence. The next level, we will see the cohort studies, and these are observational studies following groups over time to assess the outcomes, providing moderate level of evidence. So the cohort studies are estimated or considered as the moderate level of scientific evidence. This will be followed by the top of the pyramid. At the top of the pyramid, we have the randomized control trials, and randomized control trials are the strongest level of evidence. They deliver the highest quality of evidence through well controlled experimental designs. Only these are followed by the systematic reviews and meta analysis at the very top of the pyramid, providing comprehensive summaries and collective information from multiple randomized control trials. And this is the highest level of evidence. Now, I have a question. What about the real world evidence? These data and evidence that we collect from real life clinical practice. Where can we capture real world evidence on this pyramid? The answer is that real world evidence falls between cohort studies and case control studies in the pyramid. This type of research, real world evidence, enhances the pyramid by incorporating data from real world clinical settings, offering practical insights into the treatment effectiveness and safety in diverse populations. So it's an addition, a valid, valuable addition to the pyramid. So we can consider real world evidence in this regards as moderate level of scientific evidence. But in fact, they can also be the strongest level of evidence if we consider the results in the context of the entire hierarchy of the scientific evidence, which we call the integral approach in medical research. Now, let's talk about the use of evidence based medicine pyramid. This pyramid can be used mainly for guiding clinical decisions. It provides structured hierarchy for evaluating and applying clinical research to patient care. This will ensure that decisions are based on the highest quality evidence. It also helps to standardize medical practice by offering clear guidelines on the best available evidence, and this, in turn, will reduce the variability in patient care. Additionally, this pyramid of evidence based medicine can enhance patient outcomes. By prioritizing the high quality evidence, it improves patient outcomes through the use of proven and effective treatments. In addition, it can also be used as an educational tool. It serves as a framework of education for healthcare professionals, helping them to understand and differentiate between various types of evidence. Moreover, the pyramid of evidence based medicine can be a very good tool for resource allocation because it assists in the efficient allocation of different resources by identifying the most effective interventions. And this, in turn, will minimize the use of less effective or even risky medications or interventions. Also, related to policy making, it can help informing the health policy and clinical guidelines. And this will ensure that they are all based on robust and reliable evidence. And of course, the pyramid of evidence based medicine can be used in research prioritization because it highlights the gaps in current evidence base. And this will guide the future research efforts towards areas where more high quality evidence is needed. Ultimately, the pyramid of evidence based medicine will help developing patient trust. It builds patient trust and confidence in the healthcare system by demonstrating a commitment to evidence based practices. And so, these are the ways we can use evidence based medicine pyramid.
Thank you for your attention and see you soon.